fix your Wi-Fi not working. So I'm gonna start with the video. And hey, I crossed 100 plus subscribers, so yeah, big achievement for me. Yeah, after 7 years, but never mind. So as you can see, it's saying no connected, not connected, and no connections are available even if your Wi-Fi is on. So it's on from my keyboard. Obviously, I can't show you my keyboard, so it's turned on from my keyboard and it's still showing this. So it happens sometimes when your laptop just restarts, or you just close it in midway, or your battery dies suddenly. So I'll suggest you to keep your laptop charged every time, so not let it die completely. So yeah, don't worry, it can be fixed. So just follow me, go to this PC. And also I'm using Windows 10. It's a HP laptop. Okay, so you go to this PC, then you right click on it, go to device manager. From here you go to device manager. From here, then this window will open up. Now you can see these are the drivers that runs in your laptop. So there are every kind of drivers: audio, batteries, Bluetooth, your mouse driver. So you're gonna go to network adapter. So it's open. It should be like this. So you need to expand it and find your Wi-Fi. As you can see, there is a mark on my Realtek RTL, and it's a big code. This is my Wi-Fi adapter. So most of the computer have Realtek Wi-Fi adapters. If you don't know which of these are, you can just take out your manual, or they are always written at the back of your laptop. So as you can see, it's showing me a symbol. So I'm going to right click on it. I'm gonna do, as you can see, it's enable, it's disabled, and I need to enable it now. So it's working. Okay, something, yeah, it will refresh. As you can see, it is working again. So and most probably sometimes it's already enabled. You can go just disable it, and it will ask you disabling this will cause it to stop functioning. You will do that, and you will enable it back. So what will this do is it will restart your driver completely. And if there's an update available, it still not does not work, you can just update it. You just click on search automatically for drivers, and yeah, I have the best version. And yeah, that's it. That should fix your problem. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll return with more